Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the FabFitFun Advent Calendar to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the FabFitFun Advent Calendar just arrived. This one is a 12-day Advent Calendar, and if you are a FabFitFun member, you can purchase it from the sale that they had. And so I purchased this one here. It is the Advent Calendar for 2024. It was $89.99, and it's supposed to have a value of $351. So it makes it 74% off. And this is how the packaging looks. It's super, super cute and festive. So this side just says Holidays FabFitFun, and if you open it all the way up, that's how it looks on the outside. And there's 12 full-size products down inside. So I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and let's see where number one is. Number one is going to be right here, and it's like little punch door, so it's not like you can reuse the packaging afterwards, but let's see what door number one has to offer. Ooh, we have a Murad product. So this is the Renewing Cleansing Cream. It's a big old package too. Again, everything is full-size products. That's why I love this calendar. And it's only 12 days, so it's not like you have a whole lot of products sitting around. But this is a really large size right here. I like that. So Renewing Cleansing Cream. Let's go with door number two. Number two we have is Thrive Cosmetics, and it is a Brilliant Eye Brightener. Ooh, so it's a highlighting stick, and it's in the color Philly, P-I-L-I. It says Cool Gold Shimmer. That's what the packaging looks like. I love their color because I love teal. And that is what it looks like. So it's going to be like this goldish color. I don't really care for that type of color. So I'm going to set this in a future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy, because I'm not, like I said, into like the goldy colors. If it was more like silver than like goldy type tone, I would totally love to use that. But I will save this for one of you guys. It says Ring Light Technology Highlighting Stick. Number three is right here. Number three, we have a Fenty Beauty. It says Slip Shine Shiny Lipstick. It looks like it says G-O-J-I Gang 07. I'm not quite sure. It's really small font. But this is what the packaging on the inside looks like. And it has like the little color right there. And ooh, that is actually a really pretty color. In the camera, it kind of looks more pinky, but in it looks more like burgundy, not what I'm seeing in the camera. It looks like a really pretty color, like I said, in my face. I don't know if I'm going to use this because I don't really do anything with lip products, so I might save that for a future giveaway for one of you guys. But there is the Fenty Beauty lipstick. Now, number four I saw over here. Yes, number four is over here. Ooh, we have a Ahava Soothing Hand Cream. I do have a few of these, so I might save this for one of you guys. I have hand creams all over the place, all different brands. This one here is the Superfood Kale and Turmeric. It sounds amazing though. I'll probably save this for one of you guys because I love to share. But there is a full-size hand cream by Ahava. Number five, it says Tower Beach Please Luminous Tint Balm. So that's what it looks like. The color looks like it says Magic Hour. And it just says Luminous Tint Balm. So I guess maybe for your lips, not your limps. Maybe for your lips, or I'm not sure if maybe you could use it as like a blush. But it just says it's a tinted balm. Oh, it says tap plus blend into cheeks and lips. So cheeks and lips. I was right on both. I don't do anything really with either, so this one I will definitely save in a future giveaway for one of you guys. but that does look like a really pretty color. So there is number 5. Let's go ahead and go to number 6. We are halfway through. Ooh, this one's a fatty. This one says dark rum scented candle. Ooh, okay. So we have a candle. It's small for a candle. It does smell really good. And if this is a full size, that's kind of a little sad because that's a little candle. But it does smell really, really good. It just smells really good though. But yeah, you have this little candle. We used so many candles the other day because we had no power for a few days after the hurricane. So I can definitely replenish my candle stock for sure. You never know when you need some light. Number 7 will be right here. So this one just says by Rosie Jane. That's what the package looks like. And then it just says Rosie Perfume Oil. I'm going to assume, because it says Rosie, that there's rose in here. But it does say, for a full list of ingredients, please visit their website. So I will visit their website first. If there is rose in here, like I'm assuming, I will save this for one of you guys because I don't do rose. I definitely don't do rose. Let's go with number 8, which is right here. Number 8, we have a anti-aging multiplying volume styling mist, body and light hold for fine hair. It says this lightweight mist makes hair appear twice as thick and full. So it's a volumizing hair mist. I've never seen that before, and I really like the packaging. That's really cool looking. So here is number 8 to make your hair a little fuller. We'll go with number 9 right here on the top. It says that it's a pendant necklace. Comes in this bag. I'll show you a better image of this one right here. This actually is a golder tone, so I will definitely save this for one of you guys. I'll put this in a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy it or gift it to somebody else. But this one here, I'll put right back down in the bag and save for one of you guys. We're gonna go with number 10, and then there's 2 more left. This is a Petty in a Box Ultimate 6-Step Milk and Honey with organic olive oil and soybean extract. So for the different steps, the first one says sea salt soak. Number 2 is a sugar scrub. 3 is a mud mask. 4 is a callus remover gel. 5 is a massage butter. And number 6 is a moisturizer. Ooh, that actually sounds really nice. So down inside, you're gonna have all your different 6 steps, and they're all marked. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's a little one in there, 5 and 6. So you have all 6 to do a whole little spa routine with your feet. That is really neat. So you have a Petty in a Box Ultimate 6-Step Pedicure, Milk and Honey. So there's that. Now over here, we're gonna go with number 11. Ooh, we have a big ol' brush. This one says INH, insert name here, vegan mixed bristle brush, never naughty, voted number 1. I actually use the wet brush, so it's different kind of bristles. So I don't know if I'll just save this as a backup or just put this in a future giveaway. Probably put it in a future giveaway because A, it's pink. I don't do pink. And it has those other bristles that are down inside. It's not just the top ones. If it didn't have those other ones inside there, I would probably keep it as a backup, but I don't do like those other bristles inside, just like these top ones. So I'll go ahead and just put this right back in the packaging and put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. But there is the Never Naughty full-size hairbrush. Now the last and final door, you guys, is going to be right here. And hopefully we end with a good product. Let's see. What is it going to be? Oh, okay. I mean, it's all right. It's the Ultimate Repair Cream Intensive Hydration Skin Protectant in Candy Cane, safe for sensitive skin. And this is from First Aid Beauty. So you have a peppermint scented ultimate repair cream. So you have a hand cream and a repair cream in this box right here. That again is number 12, and we are all done with this box. So a quick recap to go over everything if you want to know all 12. You have the Murad. I'm really excited about that. The Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. You have a Pedi in a box. You have this perfume roller. You have a Ultimate Repair Cream, a necklace. You have the Fenty Beauty lipstick. There is the Ahava hand cream, Thrive Cosmetics highlighter. You have the volumizing hair mist, the cheek and lip balm. You have a candle and then a brush. All right, you guys, so that is everything to show for this 12-day 2024 FabFitFun Advent Calendar. What did you think of the 12 different products? The only thing that I'm kind of a little confused in my head with the all full size is this little candle, because if that is a full size candle, holy moly, that is a very small candle. But everything else is amazing products. I'm going to be keeping some for myself, sharing some to you guys. So that is a win-win in my book. I am loving it. But definitely let me know down below, what was your favorite product in here? Would you love to get this calendar? Use them as a gift idea, break stuff up. Let me know what you would do if you got it for yourself. If you would like to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is Shecrafty.com, and I have it all right there for you guys. So now that is everything for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.